Have you ever seen a lake like this? Don't be impressed, because there's a hidden mystery here. I'll explain. But first, if you think this pony is cute, like and subscribe. It is called Lake Natron, one of the most hauntingly beautiful places on Earth. Located in northern Tanzania, this lake is incredibly alkaline, with temperatures reaching up to 60 degrees Celsius. An APH as high as 10.5, the water is so caustic, it can burn skin and eyes. But here's the eerie part. Animals that die in the lake appear to turn to stone. It's not real petrification, but the lake's high soda and salt content preserves their bodies.